Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'll tell you how to install Windows 8 in a virtual machine. You must be knowing that Microsoft has released the 90-day trial for Windows 8 Enterprise Edition, so you can test Windows until it is released on October 26th. So one thing is Microsoft has mentioned that this is a 90-day version and 90-day trial version, and you won't be able to upgrade this to a full version. So you have to uninstall this version and then install the new version of the OS. So it's recommended that you don't install it as your primary operating system till you get the final version. So the alternative is to install it on a virtual machine and then enjoy the full set of features. So a virtual machine is nothing but an operating system which is running on your separately on the same operating system which you're working on. So it becomes a different PC altogether inside your PC. So we will be using Oracle VirtualBox for this installation. So the few requirements for this are: one, you should have the Windows 8 Enterprise Edition, which is available for free download from the Microsoft Developer Network, that's MSDN. You have two versions of the 90-day trial. It's available in 32 and 64 bits. So the major difference between these two versions are that if you have a RAM of more than 2 GB, you should go for 64-bit version, which is developed for higher configurations. So you can get started with downloading it. The file will be a ISO image of the DVD, which is about 3.5 GB. So once you download it, then do download Oracle VirtualBox. The links are below this video. You can check out those and get on with installing the VirtualBox from Oracle. Once you have installed Virtual Manager, you can open it, and this is the screen you will see. So create a new virtual machine. Click on Next. I'll give it a name, Windows 8 Enterprise Edition. So select your operating system, which is Windows, and then you should get Windows 8 64-bit here. Click on Next. So the first thing is to set up a virtual disk inside your hard disk. So we'll create a new disk and go with virtual disk image, because that's what is very well supported for Windows 8 on a virtual machine. Now we'll get two options here for storage types. One is dynamically allocated and fixed size. So we'll go with dynamically allocated. So this basically means that out of the total allocation you have provided this virtual manager hard disk, only it will dynamically increase as and when required, and won't block all the 30 GB or 25 GB, whatever you have allocated in a hard disk. So let's allocate around 28 GB. You can go with 25. That's fine. Let's create this. So this has been created. Now let's go to the settings to set up some of the options like allocating the RAM, the memory, the network drives, etc. So how much memory do you want to allocate? Since I have 4 GB of RAM on my laptop, I'll allocate around 2 GB for this virtual machine. And then I want the processor. Okay, the number of processors. which I want to allocate. Uh, let's allocate 4 CPUs. That's the video memory, so 128 is good enough. So one more thing on the system part, acceleration, just check if both the hardware virtualization are enabled. So getting back to the storage part, by default the VDI which we created, that's a virtual disk image, will come under SATA hard disk, but the Windows 8 image doesn't work very well with SATA controller, so we have to move it under the IDE controller. So remove this attachment and let's add an attachment here. So this is my VDI. I'll select this and it has been added as an IDE controller. Once this is set, we can move on to the network part. So leave the adapter 1 as it is. On adapter 2, just enable the network adapter because we would be needing internet access on the virtual machine. So let's add this bridged adapter, which is my wireless network, and then we are set. So once you are done with the settings part, then just click on the start button, which will boot up the machine. So now we need to upload So browse to your Windows 8 Enterprise Edition ISO DVD image and select that, and we need to restart the machine. That's it. So now this is a regular this will act as a regular PC. So now Windows 8 has loaded. The setup has started actually. So we'll go ahead with the setup, and I'll skip this. This is going to be a long process, at least half an hour. Just get this installed. Just make sure one thing whenever starting the virtual machine, your PC should not be using very resource intensive applications at that time, because the VirtualBox needs a lot of resources from your PC hardware, and any so go on to next, and so this has started. Yes, I was telling so just make sure your PC is not using very resource intensive applications at that time, because VirtualBox will need a lot of resources from your PC in terms of PC hardware and other sources, including your primary OS. Because that's what is running VirtualBox. So let this finish and I'll come back. Welcome back, guys. So there you have it. Windows 8 has been installed successfully. It took me around 25 minutes to set this up. So we finally have the Windows 8 tiles home screen. Now you can see this is not very usable with the kind of resolution it is having inside my PC. You cannot go full screen at this moment, and therefore it becomes difficult to actually use this along with the side scroll bars. You have to scroll to the top to get the navigation, the chimes, what's it called. So just to fix this issue, we'll make some fixes. For that you need to shut down your virtual machine, and we'll write some code. Send a shutdown signal to the system. So yeah, the 8 is now shutting down, and then we close the VirtualBox to fix that resolution of the screen to fit your computer screen. So get rid of the whole VirtualBox manager, and then let's write some code. It's not code, it's just a few lines in the command prompt. I'll give you these lines with the video and with the article. And then we need to it's basically getting our virtual machine to work with the resolution of our computers. So you can see I have mentioned the current resolution of my PC, and that's 1366 plus 768, and 32 is the 32 color bit. You can get these details by doing a screen resolution. Let's say it's 1366 by 768, and then just press enter. If all goes well, you'll again see the command prompt. Now for Windows 8 Enterprise Edition VM, this resolution has been set. So all we need to do is go back to virtual machine and then select 1366. Let's start this off. So we have a start screen. Just slide this up, and it will ask you for your password. So you can log into Windows 8. You have to log into Windows 8 with Microsoft account, which is earlier known as Windows Live ID. Once your home screen is there, just go to the desktop. And you will right click screen resolution, and we should be getting 1366 by 768, the resolution we set. Yes, and we do apply. So that's it. We now have the full resolution, and to go full screen we just need to go to view, switch to full screen. Here we have it. It's a full screen. You now enjoy the full Windows 8 operating system. This is a 90-day trial version, and that's it from my side. Let me know if you have any questions. If you face any difficulties, I'll try to solve them. But yeah, do check back us on innoworks.com for the latest and greatest from the world of tech and for all the tips and tricks. We'll continue to cover Windows 8 that launches and what's the reaction from around the world on Windows 8 when it finally releases on October 26th. So till then, enjoy Windows 8 installation on your PC and let us know how it works. Goodbye.